In this step-by-step tutorial, we will guide you through the complete installation and activation process for Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2024 LTSC, so make sure you have a stable internet connection before starting and follow each step carefully. Important note before you begin. Before starting the installation, we strongly recommend uninstalling all existing Microsoft Office applications from your computer. This helps prevent activation conflicts, version mismatches, or sign-in errors during setup. This product is for Windows PC only and is not compatible with Mac devices. First, download the installer, with the 64-bit version recommended for better performance unless your system requires 32-bit. Then wait for the file to finish downloading. Once completed, locate the installer in your Downloads folder, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator to begin installation, then wait for the process to finish, which may take some time depending on your internet speed and system performance. If a window appears asking, "Let Windows and apps access your location," you don't need to select any option. For this tutorial, we'll simply leave it as is and the prompt will automatically disappear after a few seconds. Once the Microsoft window that says "We're getting things ready" disappears, you can check the installation status in the lower right part of the Windows taskbar, also known as the System Tray or Notification area. Once the installation is finished, it should display "You're all set." Click the Close button, then open any Office app. In this tutorial, we'll open Microsoft Word. If this activation window appears, it is not the correct one, as it does not include the option to activate by phone. Click on Change Product Key, then copy and paste the product key you received from your Keyzens order email. This usually happens because a Microsoft 365 account is currently signed in. To fix this, sign out of your existing active 365 account, close Microsoft Word, and then reopen it to display the correct activation window. Now that we have the correct activation window, select "I want to activate the software by telephone," then click Next. You will then need to get your confirmation ID, which you can do either by selecting your country or region and calling the number shown on screen to provide your installation ID and receive the confirmation ID, or by using the Instant Online Activation option where you enter your installation ID into the provided link and receive your confirmation ID instantly. In this tutorial, we will use the online link to get our confirmation ID. So you will need to copy and paste the product key you received from your Keyzens order email into the product key field. Next, enter the installation ID. You can either type it in manually or take a screenshot and upload it. However, in this tutorial, we will enter it manually. After entering all the required details, click Get Confirmation ID. Next, copy each set of the confirmation ID and paste it into the Microsoft Office activation window, just as shown in the video. Once you've entered all the fields, click Next to proceed. We will now close Microsoft Word and open it again to check if everything is working properly. Congratulations! Your Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2024 LTSC is now fully activated. Thank you for watching.